Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making spicy tuna roll. Tuna sashimi is seasoned with a spicy sauce and rolled up with sushi rice and nori roasted seaweed. This is not a traditional Japanese sushi, but it's one of the most popular sushi rolls here in the US. We'll show you how to make it at home. These are the ingredients. For how to make sushi rice, please check our sushi rice recipe linked from this video. Make sure you use fresh sashimi grade tuna. For spicy sauce, we are using ryu, a hot chili oil, and soy sauce. For more information and complete recipe, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. Let's get started. Cut tuna sashimi into small pieces and thinly slice green onion. Now chop the tuna and green onion together and transfer to a bowl, and we are going to add the seasoning, soy sauce and chili oil, and mix well. You can also use different hot sauce you like or spices such as sriracha or sashimi peppers. Now we are going to make a roll. Place a sheet of nori roasted seaweed on a sushi mat. Then spread about 1 cup of sushi rice on the seaweed, leaving a 1-inch space along the far edge of the seaweed like that. And put the tuna mixture right in the middle of the rice. While holding the filling down, roll from the front end of the mat toward the other end. Tighten the roll, similar to making a roll cake, and by pulling the mat and tighten. Remove the roll from the mat. Cut the roll into 1/2-inch thick slices. And serve with soy sauce and pickled ginger if you like. Spicy tuna roll makes for a fantastic appetizer at parties and holiday gatherings. Hope you give this a try soon.
美味しい。
美味しいね。